I think I know what this throw represents. It represents a bird, and all of these crystals here, including this pine cone scale, represent the bird's eye. This pine cone scale and this crystal represent the top part of the bird's beak. This pine cone scale, this one and this crystal represent the bottom part of the bird's beak. This pine cone scale, along with this one, this crystal and this one, represent the bird's neck. And this is the back part of the bird's head. I believe that the bird has something related to a crown on its head, and I believe that this crystal and this one connect to make some type of crown that the bird has on it. Of course, the bird is covered with feathers, and so yeah.